What are the reasons for the rise of impotence? I'm not sure is that a Sharia question? No, I have a theory, and again this is my own wahm, that the obsession with sexuality in the modern world is because of the poor quality of it. People are striving towards the perfect whatever, and they're not getting it. And the reason why is that it has been stripped of any meaning and beauty, and it's just a process of animal coupling. And that there's no barakah in what they do. There's no sense that this is a sacred, private, beautiful event that unites two people in love, mutual respect. But it's just self-gratification. And hence Allah does not give them even what they're looking for. Whether there's a rise in impotence or not, I don't know, but maybe this is connected to the Quranic verse that says, وَلَئِن شَكَرْتُمْ لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ. We give thanks for Allah's blessings. If you give thanks for His blessings, He will give you more. And if you don't give thanks, or if you regard this as something that's not religious, or if you're not religious, then maybe taken away from you. So many blessings are being taken away from humanity in the modern world, particularly blessings to do with natural beauty and the environment. Maybe this is another thing that we just don't deserve any longer. Wallahu a'lam. Somebody should tell me when it's time for prayer.